Hi, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Cindy. So this video today is about cleaning and restoring our home back to its natural state after the holidays. Again, we had 6 trees that we had to dismantle and put back in storage, and all other decor we had to take away and pack back up. So this is a clean with us video. Hope you enjoy the video. So, it's gonna take both of us to put this house back to its original state. So we've decided for me to clean in the inside and for hubby to go out and winterize the backyard. And when I say winterize, I mean pull all the gazebos, curtains together, kind of straighten everything out. Make sure that he blow all the leaves, take over all the items or things that don't belong outside and put them in the garage or where it should be. Also, when I say winterize the backyard, we're going to make sure we put up all our summer pillows and coverings into our linen cabinet that's outside. Also, we have some coverings for our table sets and our chairs. So hubby will be placing all of those over the tables and the chairs. We're probably going to keep this gazebo, the front of it open, because we do like to go out from time to time, and we like to have lattes and sit in this one right here. Like to have lattes and, drink coffee and things like that. Even in the wintertime, it's a cozy little spot to be on nice rainy days like this, to be able to go out and sit and hear the rain and feel the cool breeze against our skin. So we don't completely cover this one up, but we do have several other gazebos on the property. We have this one here, that big round one up top, and then we have this one as well. And so what he's going to do is pretty much do the same as he's doing with the one on the bottom here. This top one up here does not have the thick curtains like this one over here do, but we always just pull the furniture together and put a covering over the cushions and furniture, so that when it snows and hail and things like that, that winter debris start blowing and flying around, that we can kind of maintain the furniture and as well as the fabrics and the pillows and everything that's out there. So hubby is doing a fantastic job at this. I'm showing you a close-up picture of him. He's pulling the curtains together. It is raining. It's been raining for 2 days now, and it is raining and cold here in Georgia. So I advised him not to do this on this weekend. But however, he wanted to go ahead and get it done. So I commend him for that, because he's a trooper. Me, I'm a scaredy cat. I'm a coward. I don't like cold weather. Anytime it's under 30 degrees, I don't like it. And it is now, I believe, about 25, 28 degrees. But with the wind chill factor, it feels about 22. So yeah, he's very brave. And while he's doing that, I am cleaning in the inside. I am continuing to pack all of our Christmas decor away. I'm putting them in boxes and in our storage tubs, and some of the things that I placed in the plastic bags, things like that. I still have to get those garlands up and other things, but I just want to show you the items that I have stored away that I will be packing in our closet upstairs. We do have a lot of boxes that we have to put up. The 12-foot tree has been taken down and it's put in the garage. The 30-inch wreath is stored away. There you see the 12-foot tree, I'm sorry. It is gone. It is now gone back to its home. And yeah, we just have all these other items. And then you see upstairs there are all the boxes that we have to put in the closet upstairs. But that tree is gone as well. The woodland tree is stored away. We still have to put the 55-inch wreath or 52-inch wreath. We still have to take that down. That is a job that hubby will have to do. He has to get the huge ladder out. But I am also working here in the dining room. I have not taken all of this away because I'm going to do a video for you guys and show you what I plan to do with this garland and all of this for my winter table scape. So some of these items will remain here for my winter table scape, and then I will be taking some of these away, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with those and incorporate for a winter table scape. And so you guys make sure you look for that video as well. Now, with the other items, the trees and everything that I have over there in the corner, I still have to take that tree down. If you remember, that was the dining room tree. So that tree has to be stored away as well. And then I have some few other things like a lot of bulbs and things like that. But I want to show you guys the outside. I just want to show you how I have completely taken all the decor from the outside down, and everything is stored in its original state. I just want to show you how beautiful it is. It is a beautiful winter day outside, and all of the Christmas decor items and everything has been taken down and stored away. The swag, the Christmas swags, and remember what I did with the vase that stands here on the porch. All of those items are down. All of the swags, the wreaths, the decor that I had on the porch. I just want to show you how beautiful it is outside. All of my neighbors have pretty much taken all of their Christmas items away. So, yeah, you guys, Christmas is gone. It is back to the original state now. So I just wanted to give you an idea or show you that outside, that Christmas is long gone now, and we are all beginning to live life as it was before the holidays. So with that in mind, we are busy here in the house as well as outdoors, cleaning our house and cleaning, putting away Christmas, as you would say. And I have my trusty robot here who's also helping me to clean all the floors. I will probably have to redo these floors because I have seen a couple of spots and stains that are on there from the Christmas gatherings and things like that that we had here in the house. So I will probably end up going back over these floors. I don't think I would do the entire floors, the entire downstairs level, but I will be focusing on this kitchen area in here as far as, maybe restaining or waxing the floors. But for now, I'm going to let the robots help me keep these floors clean and do some of my pre-sweeping for me before I dust mop. And this iRobot is, good to just be a backup to whatever you do to your floors. Now, I just want to show you what hubby is doing outside. He's in charge of the outside. Again, he's not only closing up all the gazebos, but he's also out there maintaining my flower pots. Like I said, he's a brave soul. It's like 28 degrees here in Georgia, and with that wind chill factor, it's about 22 degrees. So while he's out there with a muscle shirt on, I have no idea. But, men can withstand what women can't. So he's a brave soul. Let him have that. Okay. So I felt that it was very fair to make sure that I get what he's doing on the outside as well as what I'm doing on the inside, because we are a team. So back inside, you guys, I'm going to continue with my cleaning, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video thus far. And as you will see us going throughout the house, just moving about, cleaning, putting things away after I vacuum and get all the glitter and debris off the floor from the trees and garlands and all this other stuff. Hubby will continue to clean the outside, and he will also go ahead and put away the storage bins and boxes and things that I have already put together for him. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please go ahead and share this channel with someone. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you can be reminded whenever I upload a new video. But if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of this family, and you will not regret becoming a part of the family, because we have so many videos to come for this 2021 year that it's my mind is all over the place for this channel. As I said in my other video, we are growing, and that means lots and lots of new videos. So hit that subscribe buttons. And for the family, remember, share this video with all of your friends and family so that we can grow. And I thank you all, and I hope this new year 2021 has already been good to you all. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for rocking with me throughout the holiday season. And you guys, this is Cindy signing out. I will see you guys in the next video.